Hello and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube with PLR. Now, for those of you that don't know what PLR is, it stands for private label rights. And essentially what it is you're able to get a product that somebody else created, and they're basically reselling it to you and giving you rights to rebrand it or resell it. So it takes all the hard work out of having to do the research for a niche or, product research, keyword research, all that kind of stuff. And also they create the content for you. If it's a PLR ebook, it's going to be all placed into different chapters and subheadings. So all the hard work and research and content creation is done for you. And so you're able to just focus on what matters most, building your business, building an audience, and so forth. So I've got two really cool strategies for you that I'm going to just briefly show you kind of what I would do with these strategies. And in the first one, it's going to be use PLR to place in a description that leads to a sales page. So both of them are YouTube related because that's what the video is about. So let's jump in real quick. And what I would do is, so I'm on my channel here, right? Teach Me Money Methods. And you can see that, there's a lot of different topics that I talk about. It's all related to making money online, but all these videos, right? There is a purpose, right? It's to teach my audience something, so they get value in every video. But then there's also, an opportunity to sell something if it makes sense in the video, right? And so, like, for example, over here, this AI content creation, if we clicked on that real quick and we just went and checked out the video, and I push pause, it's just me talking and teaching how to use a software. But you can see over here in the description, I have a link over here. And when you click on this link, it gives people the opportunity to sign up and get a free trial to the software. So pretty simple, affiliate marketing in a nutshell there. But what I would do as it relates to private label rights, right? Let's say we're going to, let's go over to one of my favorite places. So Bigproductstore. And what you can do here is you could log into your account and you could sell a course or an ebook. Let's go to products and just go to ebooks and see what we have here. And so you have all this stuff right here, right? And so let's say that you have a channel on like a fitness channel or something, right? So 24-hour fat burn. So here's a book, and it was just released yesterday, actually. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on that, and we'll go ahead and download the product. It's got some pretty good graphics, artwork there. So it gives you a summary right there, and we can go over here and open the book up. And this actually has a lot of other stuff, articles and graphics and all that kind of good stuff. We can go into the book and go check out the book real quick. So it's 54 pages, so it's actually a nice sized book. Now what I would do, so check this out. So it just got posted on here. Now it obviously was not just created, so it's not new PLR content. So I would go through it and give it a good 20 or 30 minutes scrub kind of. And I would obviously edit this, and let's see if they give us the file to edit. So come back over into here. Let's see here. Articles, graphics, promos. No, it just has the, but you can go to a PDF converter and convert this PDF to a Word document. So you can come in here and actually edit this. I obviously changed the copyright to 2021, in this example. And then you would also want to make sure you change the footer, throughout, and just make sure that all the content is up to date, right? And I have other videos that go into depth on how to rebrand and rewrite PLR content. So anyways, essentially you would take this book, right? And we'll have the book. And then what we would do is we would come back over here, and I actually would go inside into my funnel builder software over here, right? Funnel builder software. And we would just come down in here and create new step, add a page. So this funnel builder software, if you're interested in it, I will leave a link below, but it's only $25 a month. You can connect your domain to it, and create just awesome lead magnets, lead capture pages, full websites, memberships, all that kind of stuff. It has payment processing built into it and everything. Only $25 a month. You will not find another tool like this on the market for such an affordable price tag. So what you could do is come through here, and let's just say we have that book. I'm going to look through the templates real quick. I'll be right back. Perfect. So we found one that's perfect. It's literally for a book, and we're going to go ahead and just select that. And then we're going to call this whatever we want to call it, right? But what was the name of that? Just for the purposes of this, we're going to call this 24-hour fat burn. You're going to come back into here and just call it 24-hour fat burn. It automatically will add the page URL. You can fill out the SEO information as well. See if you can rank it on Google, but we're going to go ahead and say add page. So now we have this brand new page in our funnel builder that's already ready to go. We're going to go ahead and upload the file. Let me go and actually make sure I unzip the file over here. Okay, so in here, this is an image. I'm going to left click on the image. I'm going to edit the image. Then we're going to come over here and I'm going to go to images, upload a file here. We're going to go back over to our downloads and go into our file that we just had, right? And I'm going to go to graphics right here. So we have all these different graphics to choose from. I might try the medium PNG file and see what that's going to look like. And then you just select it. Oh yeah, that's great. It's fully transparent, which is awesome. We could stretch this out and it will get bigger. So depending on what it looks like for you, but we're going to go ahead and leave it like that. You can actually even add shadows in here with this tool, which is really cool. Not sure if this will look good. Nope, we don't want a shadow on this. So we're actually going to go back out and no shadow. Okay, so you have your book in there. Obviously, you can rebrand this and change the color, right? And spend more time on this. But essentially what you would do in here is you would say right here, want to burn fat quickly. Pick up a copy of the 24-hour fat burn, you know, something like that. And then whatever your name is right here, you know, John Perkins. And then right here, you could even put right here, you could type in the secrets to mastering your metabolism. And then right here, we can come in here and change this buy now for only, you know, maybe you want to make it $8 for people. Okay. And then we could change the color and all that, but we're going to go ahead and leave that. So of course, in another video, I would actually show you how to click on this and actually set up the payment processor with this funnel, but that's not what this video is, and that would take probably 5 minutes to do that. But essentially, you know, when people click on this, they would actually go to the payment processor. They would pay on your site here, and then you would host the. You can actually host the PDF file on this server here. It's on Amazon servers. And then they would get immediate access to downloading it right after the payment. So, and then you could come out here and fully develop this sales page right now if you wanted to, or you could just remove those and just have this nice, quick, easy page for people. Maybe put a little bit more information about what they would learn inside the book. So that's essentially what you can do. And then what you would do is after you save the changes, you would just grab this link, right? I'm going to push this button and then it's going to open up. Look. So this one is teachmemoneymethods.com 24-hour fat burn, right? We've got our domain, we've got our branded domain and our product, and look how nice it looks. And people will come in here, oh, that looks cool. Yeah, that looks like it's, and then they come in here, yep, it's exactly what I'm looking for. It's only $8. I'm going to go ahead and buy, right? So then I'm just going to push the button to buy. So that's one way. And then you would just take this link right here, right? And you would come back over to YouTube and, you know, make a video about fat burn. And then you would just place, you know, pick up a copy of my top selling book or whatever, learn how to burn fat in 24 hours. And then just this link right here would be your new link, would be this link right here. So that's number one. And then the number two method, I'm going to make it a little bit quicker. We're going to go back into the PDF file, okay? And we have 54 pages here. So let's scroll down here and look at the table of contents. Look, Chapter 1, Metabolism 101, okay? Chapter 2, Diet comes first. Chapter 3, Specific Food Choices. So what we could do is actually grab these first 10 chapters. I'm just going to copy that, right? And come over to a WordPad, to a Microsoft Word. Open that up real quick. I'm just going to right-click, paste as text. So we have our chapters right here, right? So now what you can do with this is we're going to use these as, each one of these is going to be a video. So now you have 10 videos from one book. Imagine how many videos you can create, because that's 10 videos from one book. And these work really well for faceless YouTube channels where you don't have to get on a camera. You can actually outsource all this to Fiverr if you wanted to. But let's just say metabolism. Let's take the keyword metabolism. Now we know we already have the content, right? So that metabolism content, you're actually going to come through here, and let's see if yeah, up here. So for metabolism, you would actually grab all this content that's already done for you, the script, right? All this content right here, and make a 3 to maybe 6 minute video. And you're going to grab all that text, right? You can go and take that text and go into Vidnami and create a quick video. You can outsource the voiceover on Fiverr, right? And essentially, and then you could do keyword research by coming up over here and, like, let's say you use TubeBuddy, or you use vidIQ, and you would go into Keyword Inspector and throw in metabolism and just push search, and then it's going to go out and find good keywords that have low competition. And you just scroll through here and you can find a good, for example, let's say what you'll in action. I'll just go ahead and speak. So I put in what is metabolism, and you can see it's actually low competition. It gets 1,000 search volume. So you could pick a couple of these out, how to increase metabolism. All these are great keywords, right? So you're going to use that as your YouTube channel, your YouTube video, instead of just calling your the title of the YouTube video metabolism. You want it to be a little bit more than that. Like, what is metabolism in the body? Very low competition, gets 2,000 search volume a month. So that would be a good keyword, right? So then all you're going to do is just come in here, grab the text here, and then you can go into a site like Vidnami, this other site over here. And for those of you that don't know, this tool, and you can click the link below. You can start a free trial as well. And then I also have a 25% off your order for life if you pick it up through the link below. So you would just come in here and grab, create a new video. And there's all these different templates in here that you could use to create a video, right? And you would just use template. You would grab all the text over here, and we'll just use just a little bit of text right here to make it faster. And then we'll come back over here to Vidnami and paste as text. So we have all that in here right now. And then we're just going to click this button down here, create scenes. It's going to go out there and create a video for us. And we're using private label rights to create a video very quickly. And then we can come through here and just kind of look at what it pulls really good. I find that about 90% of the images and videos match perfectly. So you don't have to do a whole lot of editing. It's just great. And then I do recommend adding your own voice over. You can record. They actually have a tool right here inside. Record your own track. So you can say, like, right here, you just push allow, and you would just push record, and you would record the sentence. Not sure how that will work with me actually recording a video right now. But for the purposes of the video, we'll just go auto voice, and we will just preview our video. So it'll pop up. You can add music. It's a little loud, but we'll go ahead and select that. But then always make sure you come over here to options and take the music volume is at 8%. That's like my standard right there. 8% looks good. Just push apply. And then you can go and sample.
A 24-hour fat burning machine. It's helpful to have an understanding of how metabolism works. Welcome to Metabolism 101. Try to pay attention. All about energy. Our bodies are always using energy. We use energy when we run.
So there you go. Do you think that you could do that? You're not even creating any of the content yourself. No one else is doing this. No one else is grabbing PLR products, and you're utilizing the content. And this is one of the only ways, as far as PLR is concerned, that I don't actually recommend that you go and rewrite all the content, because most people would be grabbing this and reselling it like the first method, or possibly maybe uploading it to different sites to sell the content. Now you could run this through some different softwares to rewrite it, but I think that's going the extra step that's not needed. But nonetheless, grabbing the content from the PLR ebook and then going in and basically creating a full YouTube channel, and every chapter can be its own little simple video, or if it's a smaller ebook, you can combine a couple different chapters together, depending on how long you want your videos to be. So that essentially is the strategy for the day. We learned about how to make money on YouTube with PLR. The first strategy was to use PLR to place it in a description that leads to a sales page. And then I also actually showed you how to create that sales page with the funnel builder that I use, which is the HBA funnel builder. Link is below. And then the next strategy, we opened up that ebook and saw that there was 10 chapters, and each chapter could be a video. So that's 10 videos to start your YouTube channel with. And you can simply just grab that and put it into Vidnami. Now you can outsource the whole thing on Fiverr, but it will be pricey. You're looking at the research that I'm looking at, $30 to $80 per video, depending on what the length is. And when you're just getting started, no one has the budget to spend 50, 60, 70, 80 bucks per video, because you actually want quantity. You want a lot of videos on your YouTube channel, and you're just not going to be able to, it's going to be $1,000 a month to have a video going out every single day. So you're going to want to probably do a lot of the work yourself. And so that's where having a software like Vidnami for $30 to $40 a month comes in, and it will do all the work for you. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss out on my next video. Until next time, take care.